Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, a smartwatch that promises to redefine the wearable tech landscape. Samsung has consistently pushed boundaries with its Galaxy Watch series, and the Watch 8 is poised to be no exception. From groundbreaking health features to seamless AI integration, let's explore the exciting details and what makes this watch worth waiting for. Release date: setting the stage for July 2025. Based on Samsung's established release patterns, the Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to make its debut in July 2025, possibly during the much-celebrated Samsung Unpacked event. Historically, Samsung has chosen this mid-year timeframe to introduce new iterations of its smartwatches, ensuring they remain at the forefront of consumer interest. At the heart of the Galaxy Watch 8 lies a cutting-edge processor designed to deliver unparalleled performance. This innovation promises smoother operation, faster app launches, and a more responsive user experience, solidifying Samsung's commitment to excellence. Inbuilt glucose monitoring, a game-changer. One of the most talked-about potential features is the inclusion of a glucose monitoring sensor. This transformative addition could revolutionize health tracking, offering users a convenient and non-invasive way to monitor their blood sugar levels. For individuals managing diabetes or simply seeking deeper health insights, this feature is nothing short of groundbreaking. Advanced AI integration. Samsung's foray into artificial intelligence continues with the Galaxy Watch 8. Building upon the AI capabilities introduced in the Galaxy Watch 7, the Watch 8 is expected to feature AI-powered sleep tracking, offering insights into sleep patterns with improved accuracy and actionable advice. Smart message responses, context-aware suggestions for quick and intelligent replies. Predictive health alerts, using AI to analyze data trends and alert users to potential health issues. Enhanced health and fitness monitoring. Samsung's dedication to health tracking remains evident, with improvements expected in heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and stress management. These enhancements aim to provide a comprehensive view of user wellness, making the Galaxy Watch 8 an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals. Sleep apnea detection. The watch May 8th introduce advanced algorithms capable of detecting sleep apnea, a critical health condition that often goes unnoticed. This feature could be a lifesaver for many, emphasizing the watch's role as a health guardian. Outdoor enthusiasts rejoice. GPS and navigation. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Galaxy Watch 8's GPS capabilities will continue to shine. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrains or running in the city, the watch's navigation tools ensure you stay on track. Design. Evolution with a touch of elegance. Sizes and build. The Galaxy Watch 8 is rumored to maintain the popular 40mm and 44mm sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for a wide range of users. Its durable build and refined design aim to strike a perfect balance between style and functionality. Storage and connectivity. With 32 GB of storage, the Galaxy Watch 8 offers ample space for apps, music, and essential data. Seamless connectivity with smartphones ensures a unified digital experience, reducing the need to frequently reach for your phone. Color options. Samsung is likely to retain the elegant green, silver, and cream color options from its predecessor, while potentially adding a sleek black variant, a nod to consumer demand and market trends. Price. Balancing innovation and affordability. The Galaxy Watch 8 is expected to be priced around $300, consistent with the Galaxy Watch 7's pricing. While major feature additions could lead to slight price adjustments, Samsung aims to deliver value without compromising accessibility. Why wait for the Galaxy Watch 8? If the rumored features materialize, the Galaxy Watch 8 will be a must-have for tech enthusiasts and health-focused individuals alike. From its revolutionary glucose monitoring capabilities to enhanced AI functionalities, this smartwatch is set to outshine its competitors. For those unwilling to wait, the Galaxy Watch 7 remains a solid choice, offering advanced features at a competitive price. Links to current pricing for the Watch 7 series are available in the description and comments section. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of wearable technology. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future to stay updated on the latest tech trends and innovations. See you in the next video.